Venrap Radio.
Yo. Welcome back. It's the Venrap Radio. Damn, man. It's always great to see like the two pioneers, the two legend, people that have done so great. Ukidaka music wala venda. I'm talking about Facebreezy, once known as Faceboy. It's one of the fastest rapper beside Prohead, Kalavenda. This guy at Jurapanda Mike Wetas Yahura. So you'll remember him from the group FWO. You know, Facebreezy was there, man. Back in the days when things were happening. So right now we're checking out the music video. Unawari of feature Kashflow. Music video no of stand up. Kashflow is also one of the oldest rapper. I'm talking about he's been rapping in this venda rap for so long, man. That is when we talk about the OGs in the game, when we talk about people that have been in this rap game for a very long time, Venda, we don't exclude him because they managed to shape up Venda rap even near today. So I'm talking about these two. They dropped this track in episode of Stand Up, and then now they've dropped the music video. What I love about the music video is like it's telling a story about that. You know what? We need to stand up for our own. You know, we need to be good enough to speak for ourselves. Like when I'm listening to it, because there's people that will always undermine you, but you gotta fight back. You gotta stand and do what you do best, man. What I love about this music video, beside the storyline, I love this guy. Like shot a very dope music video. Big up to Z Film. The music video. Kish, I mean, I'm out of words just by watching it. You can tell already the meant every word on the song. You know, we see your Gin Con there. I'm hoping Gin Con gonna drop something this year, something solid. You see your Fizzy there. You know, having. Let's just hear this. So, as an artist, as a rapper, as a musician, as a crafter, like whatever can put it, you need to understand your craft, to the position where you know whatever you're saying you can stand up for, man. Whatever you're rapping about, it's what you know, man. Because we do have a lot of artists that just drop tracks and then they go and shoot a music video. Now on a music video, so right here you'll see, or you gotta fight for what you believe in. You gotta stand for what you believe. You know, if you represent all about the money, you can't be performing on gigs and then you're not getting money. You're not getting paid. You know what I mean? You can't be an artist that is just called to come and showcase for a million years, but you still not getting or earning anything out of your work. So you should be ready for the battlefield, man. You should be ready to take on everyone. You know, for yourself, you must stand up for yourself. You must win for yourself. You must make sure that you stand your ground and never let anyone try and take over what belongs to you. You know what I mean? I like even the storyline behind this lady being kidnapped, tied up, fighting back, shooting all these guys, taking them down one by one, you know. So yeah, man, go check out this music video. It's very dope. It's very nice. Facebreezy, Kashflow, stand up. I'm loving it. Make sure that you check it out now on YouTube. I'm gonna drop the link on the description. You better stand up for your own. You might better be man enough to fight for your own battles. I love this music video. It's out there. Check it out now. Faceboy, Kashflow, stand up. Barminda.
They can never stop us.